Good morning. Today we are going to talk about another chapters of calculus differentiation. Today we are going to solve a complicated function which consists of two different small functions. Now the first question will be turning point. Second will be determine its locus maximums, minimums, or points of inflections. Well, for the first part, we will find its turning point, or for its turning point, we will determine dy by dx, and let dy by dx equals to 0. So what is local maximum? Local maximum is d squared y over dx squared is less than 0. While minimum is another way around, it is greater than 0. While for point of inflections, it will obtain 0, exactly 0 value. Now for the first video, I'm going to show you how to find its turning point for this example. So first of all, we will differentiate the function. So to differentiate the functions, we have two methods. One is through product rule, another one is through chain rule. So what is chain rule? One is product rule. Let's recall. So for this function, it is suitable to just apply product rule. If you would like to apply chain rule, it might turn complicated. For convenient purpose, I will choose product rule to differentiate. If you would like to choose chain rule, the answer will be the same, but the step will be complicated. Now let's differentiate the functions for the first derivative. Now let's simplify the function. The first x value will be 0, the other one will be negative 2.5. So after getting these two values, we are going to substitute into y function. So we will obtain its turning point. How do we determine whether it is local maximum, minimums, and how we solve the question? Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.